Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are keeping healthy and safe. So we were discussing in our last video about different type of medias. We have discussed the print media, newspaper and magazines. We were discussing broadcast or electronic media, and we have discussed television, radio, and this is the third one, cinema or film advertising. Right? This is also part of the broadcast media. So let us discuss how this media works. So, cinema or film advertising means the ads which you see while you go to a theater to watch movies before the movie starts or during the intervals or intermissions. There could be also another category of advertisements which you see which is off the screen. So you enter a PVR or you enter Inox and you see huge posters, you see billboard, you see that LED boards, you see different standees. These are also part of cinema advertising. So as soon as you enter the cinema hall, you are exposed to different forms of advertisement, and then when you enter the main movie hall or the Audi, then you see advertisements on the screen as well. So all these form part of your cinema or film advertising. Now when you see on the screen, right, so this is your screen. So this is your screen, as you can see. So on the screen, while you're watching movie, before the movie starts and during the intermission, you might have different type of ads. So these ads could be like only slide. So एक जैसे स्लाइड आ गई है और इसमें ना ऑडियो है और ना वीडियो है. So if I'm giving only slide, which is less costly than the audio visual, इट कुड बी वन फॉर्म ऑफ एडवर्टिजमेंट. जैसे यहाँ पे खाली नो स्मोकिंग का पोस्टर आ गया, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टिजमेंट. सेकेंड वन इज ओनली ऑडियो. So I have this no smoking ka poster, and in the background I have the voiceover that you should not smoke, it is harmful for your health. So this is another kind of advertisement. And third one is the one which you see normally on television, that is the audio visual ad. So those ads, when played on the big screen, cinema screens, are also part of the cinema advertising. So you might see some ads which you see on television also in the movie hall. So it is not that it is a new type of ad, कोई अलग से ad नहीं बन रही है. The same ad which you are seeing on television is being screened on the in the cinema hall, right? So that becomes in cinema, in cinema advertising or film advertising. So why do we need to play there? Because it has a larger screen and of course better projection. When you see advertisement on such a big screen, it has huge better impact. So let us discuss the good points and the disadvantages of cinema as a media of advertising. So we know it is effective when you see advertisements on such a big screen. When you see the projection is better, the light, sound, the camera quality, the lens is obviously better, right? So it is more effective, more impactful. Selectivity, then you can select the audiences. For example, movie halls are also like of different types, are in different places, and different type of movies are being released. Some are popular, the Cannes movies, some are critical movies, some movies are for the masses, some movies are for the classes, some movies are for the kids. So you can choose where you want to place your product or service advertisement, in which movie, in which slot, right, and in which movie hall also. So it is a single screen, it is a multiple screen, you can choose all those things. Wide coverage, with one advertisement you are reaching to a lot of people. Again, you can cover both literate and illiterate people because it is audio visual. When it is audio visual ads, so you can target the illiterate people also. And for the first time we are seeing this, यहाँ पे cluttering की जगह यहाँ पे है no clutter. I would say there is less of clutter because if you have some big blockbuster movie coming, you will have a lot of ads in them, but generally you have a limited time slot for ads, and in limited time slots you can have only limited ads, so there is less of clutter in cinema as compared to television or radio or newspaper where a lot of ads come on everyday basis. Then the disadvantages is, of course, it is costly. You are buying the time, and if you see at a time in a movie hall there are limited number of persons, so you are reaching to a limited number of person in one go with the advertisement, and so yes, it is costly per person. Next is wastage. When we talk about seeing the advertisement before the movie start or between the movie, we take that as break. Generally, we move out to have our food, to take a break, to talk to each other, to attend our phone calls, because the movie is on break. So that is how we say that giving advertisement in the break time is like wastage, right? And then last one is inflexible, or you can say it is less flexible as compared to other medias. um, in newspaper you can like edit your advertisement on daily basis because it is being printed on daily basis, but in cinema making last moment changes are difficult, because once you have bought the time and if you want to change the ad, suddenly the slot would not be available for you for the new advertisement, so it is inflexible in that way. So here we finish our broadcast media. We have studied in our broadcast media, television, radio and cinema. If you are a student and if you are preparing for an exam, um, I'll give tips after we finish all the type of media as to which media is best and which media you should select. But again, as I told you in the last video, you have to consider a lot of factors. So once we discuss all types of media, we will see what are the different factors you have to consider while selecting a media, and it will give you a it will give you more clarity as to which media is best suited for which type of products. So with this we finish our second category, that is broadcast media. In our next video we will discuss about direct mail advertising. Till then, take care and have a good day.